Hey guys, welcome back. Pretty exciting day. We're about to unbox the Rev 9 Turbo Kit, which arrived yesterday, but I was stuck at work unfortunately, so let's get into it. When it comes to the blow-off valve and the wastegate, I am going to get a better quality setup, maybe a Greddy or HKS or something, old school brand names. Just when I open those up, they just look like, yeah, a little bit on the cheaper side. Everything else though, all the pipe work and stuff, to me looks really good. I will have a better look over everything. I know there is like two pipes, exhaust pipes, that you have to sort of like modify. There's a few wells that have got a little bit of spurs and stuff left on them. I'll clean all that up with like a Dremel or something before I obviously install it, to make sure there's nothing inside that could harm the car, especially the intake side. The suede steering wheel, hopefully arriving today. Already got the Boss kit ready, so I can install that. I just have to adjust and move the cruise control module to the side of the column, because I still want to use that, still use the cruise control. Yeah, I have to start saving up so I can get this thing painted in all one colour. At the moment she's still like three colours. She's the original silver and grey boot lid, and then the Nismo come in obviously like the gel coat or whatever. So yeah guys, tune in, this build's going to be pretty epic. Obviously I'm going to have to try and get myself like a little daily run around or something so I can work on this. It's probably going to take me a few weeks to do it at home in my garage, and then I still have to try and organise someone to do an email tune or connect via remotely from overseas, probably the US or even the UK, and try and get this tune done online somehow, because there's no one local to me, it appears. So unless I can buy an ECU that's already tuned for this setup, which is a pretty good possibility. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Add us on Instagram and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers guys, have a good one.